Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to edit videos using hidden free editor in Windows 10. Most of the people doesn't know how to edit without downloading higher download software, editing software in your computer or laptop. It's not space your laptop or desktop. So it is a free editor which is given from the Windows, which as the application, hidden application, use that you will be amazed. Let me show you how to do that. Before that, kindly subscribe HowXT channel and click the bell icon to know about more videos. Yes, from my laptop, I just open start menu, I just type photos. Every Windows application has the Photos app, so it is a hidden app. So while you're open Photos app, automatically Photos app will be open here, so with your image. So everyone knows about Photos app only used for open the photos, but it has a different kind of collections, albums, folders, people and video editor. So now I'm going to show you how to edit your videos using free application, hidden application most of the people doesn't know in Windows 10. It's an amazing, beautiful option. Just click here, video editor. There will be a welcome back to video editor. So you want to create a new video, new project, and everything you can get it over done here. So I just click here, new video project. Once I click a new video project, if you want to create a name of your project, for example, I just type a demo. So I'm going to create a video, so I just create a demo. So without downloading any other higher software, use this free software, you can edit your video, you can make a photo album, so to submit to your school and college projects. So here there will be an add option. So if you want to add the image and video, you can add the image and video. So there is background music, custom audio, finish video, and this is a timeline. So timeline, you can get a timeline area, so you can give a area, so you can edit and trim over here. So if you want to add a title card, you can add a title card for the storyboard. For example, each and every video start with this title card. So I just click here, add a title card. So this is a title card, so just play here. So there is a plenty empty title will be open. So if you want to edit that, so just double click on that, so you can edit a title card. So just click here, text. So if you want to make a text is change, is a different model, you can change according to your needs. See, there are plenty of titles given here, so I can give adventure. So I just type a title called HowXT welcome. So I just type here, so HowXT, I just put HowXT, yes. So if you want to take title as change, like different kind of layout format, what format you love to change, you can change according to your needs. So I just change here. So it is a beautiful option. If you want to change a background, you just change a background. So whatever background, it's love. So HowXT always use a blue and a white background. So I just select blue and white background. So you want to add something, you can add most background. So I just click here, done, yes. So my text is ready. I just play here, so I can check. So this is a beautiful option. So title card is ready. Now I can add the video now. So how to add the video, so how to fix the duration, so how to make a text and background, everything will be here itself. So you can use a video editor using your Photos application. So just click here, add. So from your PC, from your collection, or from your web, you can choose. For example, I just want to add, so download my videos. So I just have my videos here, so I just select here. So there are plenty of videos were given here, so I just select my 50th promo video, I just open. So automatically that video will be added in my library. I want to drag and drop here, so just drag and drop, automatically your timeline will be filled with that video. So just click here. So you want to edit that, so just edit motion or 3D or filter or whatever you want, you can edit. Otherwise you want to trim the video, just click here, trim the video. So you can trim the video over here. So just click trim and just play the video. So where you want, from here you want to trim the video, so just yes, from here I want to trim the video. So just click here, trim, and just select here. From here to here I don't want this area, only this area I want. So if I want to put some text over here, just here, click here, so add some text over here. So just type, for example, HowXT life, so journey or life or anything else you can put. So whatever you want you can put. So everything what done here, so just click here done. So automatically my video will be edited and placed over here. Just play the video. Yes, HowXT life is displaying over here. So it is beautiful and easy option. You can edit a video in a different way. For example, if you want to add the picture, so just click here, add the picture, just place your computer, and I just select some picture from my downloads. So I just add some picture over here. So this area I just add the picture over here. So the picture I just copy it and place it over here. So you want to make some animation on this picture, so just right click, edit and motion. So you want to add some new motion pictures over here, so just click here, zoom in option, just play it over there. So with the zoom in option it will be displayed over here. So with the picture you want to add some text, you can add some text over here. So 3D effects and filters over here, so you can make a filters over here. So this is a beautiful option. Using this option you can make a title, you can make your videos as well as the image. So you want to edit, you want to add more image, you can add more image. If you want to get output on this, just click a finish video. So which output you want, for example high or low or medium, so just select and export. Automatically your video will be exported over here. So just export this, exporting the video. It's a beautiful option Windows has provided. Without downloading any other high software, you can edit your photos and video, make your school and college project easy way. So don't buy any other software which is high rate and which is not fixable to your laptop. It is easy. If you install Windows 10 means it is easy to access your video, edit a video, photo album for your college and school purpose. It is a beautiful option. If you love this video, please share with your friends and subscribe my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.